Hi, in today's lesson we are going to explain the candlestick chart and mention the OHLC chart. I will show you the types of candles and we will finish today's lesson with the basic of Eliott Vawe Theory. So let's look at our chart from the previous lessons. It's the line chart, and if we press this button we get the candlestick chart. So we basically see here the same thing, but the candlestick gives us much more information for our analysis. I would call it a multidimensional price action chart because the candlestick shows us open, close, high and low price for a certain time period, while on the line chart we basically get the average price. So the full body of the candle shows us open and close price, and the shadows of the candle show us high and low price. Okay, the candle, duration of the candle can be set up here. We can have a 1 minute candle, or we can have a daily candle, or a weekly, or a monthly, doesn't matter. But let's show it as a weekly. So basically what it means that this candle shows us price action within 1 week. And when that week ends, a new week will happen. New week starts. If the body of the candle is transparent, it means that the price was going up, and if the body is white, then it means the price went down. It's the default setting on the MetaTrader, but you can change that yourselves. We don't want to touch that for now. Okay, so let's go here now, and we're going to show you the OHLC graph. So it basically shows us the same thing as the candlestick chart. On the left side we have the price. Let's focus on this candle. So we have the opening price, highs and lows, and here is the closing price. So it basically gives us the same information, but here we see it much better, much more graphic and visual, which gives us much better information to do our analysis with. So after all said, it's not surprising that this is the most commonly used chart in by investors. Now I will show you some types of candles, but let me first explain one candle. So we have here a white body candle, so it means the price went down. So if the price went down, it means it opened here and it closed here. It has a shadow here, that's maximum price, and that's minimum price here, all in time frame of 1 week. Okay, so let's look at some candle types. Wanted to show you the doji candle first. So this is the doji candle. The doji is the single most important candle in the forex market, as it may mark resistance support, especially if it's on the top of the uptrend or bottom of the downtrend. So basically what it means that within that candle the market went up and down, but the closing price was basically same as opening price, and that limit, that level, is basically a new resistance support level. So if you have this candle at the top of the uptrend and the trend is going up, on the correction it will probably go all the way to the doji candle. The importance of the doji candle is greater if it's on the top, as I said, or the bottom of an uptrend. And also the shadows, the bigger the shadows are, the more important the doji will be. Okay, so this is the most important candle. Now let's look at some other candle types. This would be the standard candle. Oh, sorry, this would be the standard candle because it has a full body and shadows on both ends. The Marubozu, I want to show that one, but can't really find it. Okay, Marubozu is a full body candle with no shadows. So it would have the low and high where it would have the open and close price basically. Also we have a candle like this which is called a hammer, and a candle like this which is called an inverted hammer. And we also have a candle like this with a small body and long shadows on both ends, and this one is called spinning top. So all of these candles can be either bullish or bearish, meaning white or transparent color. Okay, you don't really need to remember the names of the candles because that is the least important thing in all of this, but it's good that you know that there are different candles. This is all for now. In the addendum to this lesson, we will show you some candlestick patterns, and we will explain the logic behind those patterns. And also we will do some trading using everything we learned till now. So now I'm gonna skip to the Eliott Vawe Theory, and I'm gonna show you just one thing. It's not gonna take long, and I just wanted you to have a glimpse of how the market functions. So have a look at this. Okay, this is the basis of Eliott Vawe Theory. It tells us that the market will start a trend with an impulse wave from 1 to 5, and then the market would go into consolidation with the correction wave from A to C. And after the completion of this pattern, we are expecting a new impulse wave 1 to 5 and a new correction. Okay, that's pretty simple, but now let's take a look at another picture. Just a sec. Okay, we're looking at another picture, but it's the same picture. It's the same picture that I prepared for you, but you can see that both the impulse and corrective wave are created by smaller impulse and corrective waves. So leg 1 of the impulse wave is basically a full impulse wave from 1 to 5, and the leg 2 is a complete corrective wave A to C. I'm showing you this just so you would get an idea how the market functions. I'm not keen on using the Eliott Wave Theory myself because I feel the Ichimoku Wave Theory works much better for me personally, and it's much easier to use. It's something that we will do in one of the next videos, definitely. And this is all for now. Thank you for watching, and join us next week.